Hi everyone, today we're going to be doing a really simple design using glitter flakes. So I've already applied a layer of black gel polish underneath, and I'm now applying high gloss top coat. This doesn't want curing because we're going to put the diamond glitter flakes straight into the wet top coat. So just pick up the individual diamonds and place them in your top coat, and then just create a pattern. And then once you've done the whole nail, cure for 90 seconds. And then just cap in clear acryl gel. And once that's complete, cure in a lamp for 90 seconds. Now this didn't need filing, so I've gone straight in with my final layer of high gloss top coat. And once you've done that, cure in a lamp for 90 seconds. And that's the completed nail. Thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Please like and give us a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.